All right, guys, we are back with the Edwards Auto Group. You were here with Alex and the service team. We are talking alignment today, Alex, and now I've heard all kinds of stuff. My car has jerked right, jerked left. Honestly, sometimes right off the interstate to stop at a taco stand or a hot dog vendor. Come on, Alex, smile at me. But I want to talk to you today. What's the importance of alignment? When to bring it in? Some of the causes that I should be looking out for.
You may hear rattling on bumps or clunk noises. That could be an indication that you have steering or suspension parts that are worn and need replaced, and then the alignment will need to be done. Going straight down the road, you let your hand off the wheel momentarily, that it pulls right or left. That's an indication that you need an alignment. If you're going straight down the road and your steering wheel's not level, it's off one way or the other, that's an indication that you could need an alignment.
Alex, you were telling me a little bit earlier how every single car or every single tire on the car does matter in terms of your alignment. You want to go into depth with that for me?
Yeah, so there's different things that could be off. You have your camber, which is your tires straight up and down, whether they're leaning inward or outward. That could affect tires wearing prematurely on the inside or the outside of the tire. And then you have your caster, which can make your vehicle pull one way to the other, and that is your tires, the way are they straight in line with each other, or is one further forward or backwards? If that is off, your car could pull right or left. And then you have your toe, which is which way the tires are pointing in relation to the other tire, and that's going to affect whether your steering wheel is level when you're going straight down the road,
right? And
it can affect pulling left or right.
Okay. There's quite a few tools that you guys use to read the alignment and to make adjustments. Can you walk me through how some of this stuff works?
Yeah, so we have the Hunter alignment rack here, and there's receiving heads that will go on all 4 tires on the vehicle, and our machine has lasers that shoot to these receiving heads that are going to tell us where all the tires are in relation to all the other tires, okay, so that we can get them all straight in alignment with each other with the steering wheel straight and level in the vehicle.
All right, Alex, we've got the Jeep's vehicle measurements for the alignment right in front of us. Can you break down what I'm looking at a little bit here?
Basically with this machine, anything that's in the green is going to be within vehicle specifications, and anything that's in the red is out of specification, so that's something that we need to adjust to get it in specification.
Gotcha. Now the lift, this just measures the alignment. It hasn't made any adjustments to it, correct?
No, this is just reading exactly where our tires are right now, where our alignment is right now, and we're going to manually make the adjustments to get them within spec.
All right, beautiful. Let's get them all spec'd up, huh?
Sounds good.
All right.
So we're going to adjust the toe on this tie rod here. Until we get it in spec.
The man's a perfectionist, I respect it. All right, Alex, you taught me all about camber and caster adjustments. You just showed us the toe alignments. Break down for me the importance of all that, the stuff that you drive over every day. Can all of that be affected, obviously, every single day?
Yes, it definitely can, depending on where you live, how your roads are. Just hitting potholes and things of that nature, big bumps can throw your alignment off. It can actually bend suspension parts, which we would be able to tell by checking the alignment on this machine.
So you'd be able to tell that I'm just a bad driver just by the machine?
Not necessarily a bad driver, but what you've driven over.
That's for sure. You hear that, folks? If you live in a bad weather place and you run over a lot of potholes or curbs like me, come see Alex, he'll take care of you.